After being on the road for a while, arriving in Carnarvon was like a breath of fresh air. Greenery, plants and pops of beautiful, colorful flowers just felt so good. And we also discovered this amazing cacti garden. What a great find. I'd never thought I'd be interested in a cacti garden, but it's very interesting. And there was even a local fruit stand, so got a couple of limes. They smell amazing.
Shark Bay region. We saw our first emu.
Yay!
And
first wild emu.
About 30 goats. And counting, just everywhere in the side road, munching away, doing goat-like things. Used to seeing cows and horses, and now we see goats. Go figure.
From here you can see one of the world's biggest craters, the Woodley crater, produced 360 million years ago by the impact of a comet or asteroid, probably about 6 to 12 kilometers wide. Crazy. From there we stumbled upon Shell Beach, an incredible beach made up of trillions of tiny shells from one type of animal called the fragum cockle. At some places the shells are 10 meters deep. But it's freaking windy! Windy like crazy!
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, Henny, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher.